Okay, so here are my 3 centers. This center I call let's build a word. This center I call let's beat a word. And this center I called let's plant a word. So all 3 centers focus on spelling, and they all focus on the same words. And these are just high frequency words that the students work on in their kindergarten classroom. So we're gonna start with the center, let's beat a word. What the students are gonna do is they're gonna pick one of these cards and they're gonna just spell the word with the beads. I try to make it simple instructions. So I have them all. There's 4 of each color. I'll just show you all the words. That way we don't have to go through them for the other 2 centers. Okay, so blue is my CVC words, orange are my vowel consonant words, and then yellow are my consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant words, and these are just from a list of high frequency words. And then there's just a handful of beads, and then I have 4 of each center, so there could be 4 students doing the center at one time. So what the student is going to do is they're going to read the word, pick any card they want, they're going to read it. It. I-T spells it. And what they're going to do is they're just going to look through their beads. They're going to find the letters that spell the word. So I have it. I really can't do this one-handed, but what they're going to do, give me a second, is just bead them through the pipe cleaners. Bead the letters through the pipe cleaners. This also works on their fine motor skills as well, which help them with learning to write, so on and so forth. So it, I-T spells it. I've beaded my letters on there. I'm just gonna repeat that process with these words. Okay, so that's my first center. I named it Let's Beat a Word. Okay, now we're gonna talk about this one and these pails. This one I've called Let's Plant a Word. And so, like I said, I have 4 in the center. In each pail, there's 1 thing of Play-Doh, a mat, a stack of cards with the same words that were in my Let's Bead. They're all the same color, same everything. And what the students are gonna do, get all their letters out. These are just magnetic letters I found at Walmart in the kitchen section for the fridge. But anyway, so they're gonna find their word, was. They're gonna get their Play-Doh, they're gonna open it. They're gonna take it out. And they're gonna roll a worm. So we're rolling a worm, and then we're gonna put it in the rectangle like we have it in the picture on the instructions. Now all they're just gonna do is spell the word from their word card. This word is was, W-A-S spells was. What the student's gonna do is they're gonna go through all their letters. They're just gonna plant their word. W, here's an S, I need an A. If I can find an A. But you get the idea, A. W-A-S spells was. That's the word on my card. Now I'm gonna flip to another word. They don't have to go in order. It's whatever you as the teacher want or whatever your students want to do. This one is am. A-M. A-M spells am. Planted my word. So that's that center. And then my last one is this bucket. This one I've called Let's Build a Word. So inside this bucket right here are 4 stacks of the same cards. So there's one for each child in the group. So I have 4 of those. I have my instruction card. Again, I tried to make it as simple as possible. We'll look at that in a second. And then there's 4 spatula sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree. All I did was took the rubber part off, and then you have a stick, and these sticks are small enough to where they can slide. You can slide a pool noodle through them. So what I did is I just chopped up pool noodles from the Dollar Tree, and then I just labeled them with my consonants and vowels. All the consonants are in blue, and then all the vowels are in orange. There's not really, it's just so the kids can kind of recognize subliminally, I guess, whenever they're spelling their words, that, oh, there are vowels and there are consonants. So what the student's gonna do, they're gonna grab word stack, they're gonna grab a stick, and all they're gonna do is spell the word. So I have at, A-T spells at, and I'm gonna go through my handy dandy bucket. There's an A. Now I need a T. T's are consonants, so I know they're gonna be blue. T. Then what the student is gonna do is they're just gonna slide the pool noodles up their stick. They're gonna build their word. So the word on my card was at. I just built the word at. A-T at, A-T at. And they're just gonna share this bucket, and that's what they're gonna do for this center. So really, it's just working on spelling the high frequency words, and then I'm pretty sure that you can creatively think of fun ways for them to work on writing the words, versus just, you know, boring worksheet. I tried to make it fun for them and more engaging. So those are my 3 centers.